Follow these steps to fix CapCut export issues and no internet problem. If CapCut keeps failing to export, gets stuck at 0%, shows export failed, or randomly says no internet, you can follow these steps. First, completely close CapCut from your device and again, relaunch it. Restart your PC if exports keep failing after closing. Turn off VPN proxy. Likewise, temporarily disable firewall or allow CapCut through firewall settings. Switch network once. Mobile hotspot test to confirm it's not a network filter. Next, launch CapCut, go to settings and clear cache. Also, you can try changing the export settings. Try exporting in 1080p, then 4K after it works. Set FPS to 30, use H.264 if available, low bitrate if export fails near the end. Likewise, change export location. And lastly, update or reinstall CapCut. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website CapCut.com. Once you land to its official website, you will see the option download for free. Click on that and download the latest version of CapCut. With these, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.